Welcome to this charming townhome located in the Union neighborhood of Campbell. Luxury townhome featuring 3 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and bonus room perfect for 4th bedroom, home office, or play area. The open floor plan offers living room with gleaming hardwood flooring and a built-in entertainment center with smoky glass doors. Kitchen with Corian countertops, ceramic tile flooring, and easy access to the balcony perfect for outdoor dining. The master bedroom boasts a cathedral ceiling with high windows providing a light and airy feel. Master bathroom has his and her sinks, custom solid Corian shower, jetted tub, and sound system. All bathrooms have ceramic tile flooring and low-floor toilets. This is the ideal location, close to downtown Campbell, the popular Pruneyard featuring restaurants, shops, brewery, theaters, Trader Joe, and much more.